How to customize your control center on iOS 18. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now, as you might have known that iOS 18 has been released and there are a lot of new features, and one of that is customizing our own control center. So as you can see right here, this is the control center for now, and you can customize this too. So before I start with that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now in today's video, we will see how you can add Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, triangular toggle in a really quick time. So let's begin. First, just pull down from the top right and you will see your control panel. So to customize this, what you can do is long press on any one of these buttons, and after you long press on it, so the way you can customize this is you can edit it. You can just tap on this plus icon on the top left, and after you tap on it, you will see that the edit panel opens up. So here you can play around for a while. You can see you can increase or decrease the size of the icons. You can move it around. You can move it around, place it wherever you want, and that is one way to customize this. So just place the buttons that you use normally in this section right here. Now if you want to add a control, or if you want to make a cluster of controls like this right here, what you can do is you can simply just tap on add a control, and after you tap on it, you will see all of the controls available here. So you can add the flashlight, your text size, your dark mode, stopwatch, and so much more. So the way to add this is by simply tapping on the icon, and it's right here. It appears here, and that is basically all there is to it. You can just tap on add control. You can tap on this clusters right here. You can see the folders. If you tap on it, it will just appear here. Now you can choose your accessory and so much more. If you don't want it, you can tap on the minus icon on the top of the icon, and that is basically how you do this. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi section is gone now, so I'll just search for connectivity and it appears right here. Now it's back. Now let's place it where it was before, and let's play around for a while. Now just place the ones that you want here, and if you don't want it, you can remove it, and it's that simple. So you can scroll down here and you can see the buttons here too. Now you can play around with this too. You can change it wherever you want. Now there are two of these, so I'll just remove one. To remove it, just tap on the minus icon on the top right, top left. So you can see the music section too. You can remove this or add this too. So yeah, that is basically how you edit your control center on iOS 18, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.